Hello, my dear children. Welcome you to Leeds International School Holiday Study Material. Primary 2 English. Today we are going to study Nelson Comprehension Unit 8 Jellyfish Shoes. Page numbers 34 and 35. Objectives of the lesson. You will be able to improve the ability of reading, enhance creativity and thinking ability, put sentences into correct order, imagine about characters' feelings, predict what happens next in the story, and enhance the interest of reading. Okay, my dear kids, shall we read the story? At the end of this story, I will ask you some questions. So, my dear kids, listen to me well because I will explain all the answers of those questions. Then, let's read the story. Jellyfish shoes. Laura had some new jelly shoes. She was really proud of them. They were pink and see-through like raspberry jelly. She ran down to the beach in them. Wherever she walked, they left little tracks in the sand. Can you see the picture? It's raspberry jelly. It's see-through. It means it's transparent. Laura's jelly shoes are see-through like raspberry jelly. Can you tell me, does Laura like her new jelly shoes? Yes, of course. She likes her new jelly shoes. She was really proud of them. Okay, my dear kids, look at this picture. Do you have such kind of a pair of shoes? This is a picture of a pink see-through jelly shoe. Look, Scott, Laura called to her brother. My new jelly shoes are leaving stars in the sand. Squidge! Laura trod in something slippery. She lifted up her shoe. Ugh! She said. What's that mess? It's only a jellyfish, said Scott. The sea washes them up on the beach. Now, my dear kids, look at these pictures. They are jellyfish. Have you seen jellyfish? They live in the sea. They are transparent and colorful. Okay, dear children, who is Scott? Scott is Laura's brother. Do you know the meaning of squidge? Squidge is a sound word. The sound when Laura trod in something slippery. Well, I don't like it, said Laura. It looks like a jelly cowpat. I don't know why you hate jellyfish, said Scott. What do you think your new shoes are made of? Laura looked down at her shoes. They were see-through and pink. The jellyfish on the beach were see-through and pink too. Now, my dear kids, look at these pictures. You can see jellyfish and jelly shoes. Can you see both jellyfish and jelly shoes are see-through? Does Laura like jellyfish? No, she doesn't like. Why doesn't she like jellyfish? Because Laura says that jellyfish looks like a jelly cowpat. Don't be silly, she told Scott. But her voice was shaky. I thought you knew, said Scott. Don't you know what happens to all these washed up jellyfish? Laura shook her head. I'll tell you what happens, said Scott, who was good at stories. The jelly workers come round. They come round at night with big bags. And they shovel all the jellyfish into the bags. And they take them away to the jelly shoe factory. He went on. And they make them into shoes, just like the ones you've got on. I thought everyone knew that. Yuck, she said. I don't want pongy jellyfish shoes that sting me. She threw them into the sea. Okay, my dear kids, can you remember what Scott said to Laura? He said that jelly shoes were made of jellyfish in jelly shoe factory. Is that true? No, that's not true. Jelly shoes are not made of jellyfish. Scott told a lie to Laura to cheat her. But it's not a good habit. Dear kids, don't tell lies to anyone. Okay? Okay, my dear children. Why did Laura throw her shoes in the sea? She threw them in the sea because she thought that jelly shoes were made of jellyfish that she really didn't like. My dear kids, do you know the meaning of pongy? It means stinky or with unpleasant smell. Okay, my dear kids, as I told you at the beginning, now I am going to ask you some questions. Number 1. Does Laura like her new jelly shoes at the beginning of the story? Number 2. Who is Scott? Number 3. Why doesn't Laura like jellyfish? Number 4. Why did Laura throw her shoes in the sea? Number 5. Which words in the text describe Laura's jelly shoes? Number 6. What else in the story is described using the same words? Now, here in question number 5, the words in the text describe Laura's jelly shoes are pink and see-through. Can you remember? Pink, see-through, jelly shoes. Then, question number 6. What else in the story is described using the same words? Pink and see-through. Can you remember? Jellyfish. Jellyfish also pink and see-through. Pink, see-through jellyfish. Now, I would like to ask you to add 3 more notes to say what has happened so far. I have given you 3 notes. After that, you have to complete the story by writing 3 more notes. But remember, they should be in order. Let's see what are the notes that I have given you. First one, Laura is pleased with her new jelly shoes. Second one, Laura walks on the beach in her new shoes. Third one, Laura shows her shoes to her brother. Now, can you think of 3 more notes to complete the story? But remember, they should be in order. Yes, as the fourth one, you can write Laura tramples a jellyfish at the beach. As the next one, you can write Scott says Laura that jelly shoes are made of jellyfish. As the last one, you can write Laura throws her jelly shoes into the sea. Now, I have given you my last 3 questions to think yourself. Answer them by yourself. Question number 8. Are you enjoying the story so far? Why? Question number 9. Is there a line which makes you want to read more of the story? Last question. Can you imagine what happens next in the story? Here, you can imagine what happens after Laura threw her jelly shoes into the sea. You have freedom to think and try to create an amazing story with a nice ending. Okay, my dear kids, I hope you understood well and enjoyed the lesson today. Thank you, dear kids. See you again. Goodbye. Stay safe.